Hello everyone. In this session I am going to explain you logic of a program that is from the functions chapter. Okay. So first we should see the question. What the question is? Uh, just look it here. The question is, there is a class called Movie Magic with having the following description. It has an instance variable or data members. They are, just you look at here, that is the first is the int year, which is used to store the release year of the movie. Second is the string title, which is used to store the name of the movie or the title of the movie. Third is float rating, to store the popularity rating of the movie, means how much popular this movie is. And the rating data will be based on minimum you can give 0.0 and maximum you can give 5.0. Okay. Next you see the member method. First method is the void accept method, which is used to input the year, title and the rating. Okay. The next one is the display method, which is used to display the title of the movie first and then the message based on the rating. If it is just table is given here, you just look at the table for the rating table and what the message has to be displayed. 0.0 to 2.0, if your rating is given as between 0.0 to 2.0, the message will display as a flop. 2.1 to 3.4, that will be the message will be semi-hit. If 3.5 to 4.5, then it is hit, and if 4.6 to 5.0, that is super hit. Just started the program. First we have to define the class name is Movie Magic. The curly braces you have to start. Then you have to give the define the data members. What you have to do first? Define the data members. First int year, then string title, then float rating. Whatever the data members you have to define here. Then the accept functions, which is a void functions. Void means it will not return anything to the main method and it does not accept any argument also. Okay. So first we have to input the data through the scanner functions. You just look at here how I have defined the scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Then the system.out.println, print and released year of the movie. Okay. There you have to enter the released year, in which year the movie has to be released, then the name of the movie, then the rating of the movie. Rating I already given instructions on the table, 0.0 to 5.0. In between that you have to enter the rating. Okay. And for integer data, next int. For string type of data, next line. And for float type of data, next float. This is the syntax of scanner class. Okay. Then you just see the display function. Display function again is a void function. It does not return any value to the main method, and this method is used to display message on the comparison. Okay. So whatever the rating you have to input, according to that what the message has to be displayed. So first you have to show the movie title, the name of the movie. Then you have to check whether rating will be in between less than equal to 2.0, means it will be in between 0.0 to 2.0. Okay. In between 0.0 to 2.0. If it is rating, the user entered as in between 0.0 to 2.0, the output or the message will be coming up, the movie was flop. Then rating will be in between 2.1 to 3.4, in between 2.1 to 3.4, then your message will coming as the movie was semi-hit. Else if rating will be less than equal to 4.5, that means 3.5 between 2 4.5, then your movie was hit. Else 4.6 to 5, in between 4.6 to 5, then your movie will be super hit. Okay. Then next comes to the main method. In main method you have to define the object Movie Magic obj, like such a way you have to creating the object. Then you have to call the method through the object obj.accept, obj.display. Okay. So see what is the input screen will be coming up. First it asks you to enter the release year of the movie. I have entered as 2.2020. Okay. 2020, and the enter name of the movie I have entered Thappad. Enter rating I had given 3.2. So according to the rating, the message is coming as a semi-hit. The movie was semi-hit. First it will be display the movie name is Thappad, and then the movie rating was according to the rating, the message will coming as a semi hit. You just look at the program again. Here you have given rating semi hit in between what 2.1 to 3.4. Okay, so it according to the rating I had given. First the title it will show me. In the output you just look at here, the output Thappad means film name, and between 3.2 means 3.4 between that, so it is will be semi hit. So it is all about your what, all about your uh, program logic on the functions chapter. I think all of you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me directly. Okay, thank you.